fixing some duct work for a customer. And basically they had the supply trunks too small, and he wanted to add an extra duct in the master bedroom. So we did that as well, which the machine's putting out around 1200 CFM. It's a 3-ton, and 1250 actually. And with both mixing boxes added up, this one on the ends 555 before we put the 7, so now we're at 665 roughly. Had a 12 feeding it, so we increased the feeder duct to a 14-inch and ran the 7 over there to the master and put all the insulation back, you know, don't leave any holes or footprints. And now we're hanging the 14 over to this other mixing box. In the perfect world, I would feed each mixing box individually, but as far as economical to fix what he has, this is what I came up with. So this mixing box here is putting out 510, and it was only fed with a 14. So this 14 was a big bottleneck because that's only around, you know, roughly 700 CFM, and the machine's putting out 12, so it's already struggling here. Has a pretty much open return in the closet. It has a return grill in the ceiling of the closet, but it's not a sealed closet. It's got bifold doors. So I talked to him about upgrading that, but we're gonna see how it works, and if he wants to increase the size of that, then we will. But anyhow, we're going to be switching this from a 14 to an 18, so that's capable of flowing 1300. And then we get the 510 coming off of here, and then we have the remainder going through that 14 down to the last mixing box, which is under 700, and that 14 should be flowing around 700. So I'll get back with you once I get everything hooked up. I still gotta increase the supply plenum opening over here, so that way we can connect the duct to it. It's a little bit small, as is everything in there. So yeah, let me get this all connected, and then I'll take another video.